What exactly is Mashiach? When Jews were going to the death camps, on the route to the death camp, one of the Hasidic Jews, who was known for his singing abilities and composing Hasidic melodies, composed a tune to the words that many Jews recite every day. Ani Maamin be'amunah shlema beviat haMashiach Ani Maamin. I believe with perfect faith in the coming of the Mashiach, I believe. And he composed a beautiful, haunting melody. And he said that anybody who will bring this melody to the attention of his Rebbe, of his master, the Muzhitsher Rebbe, he will give him half of his share in the world to come. 2 people were able to climb out of the cattle car by finding a crack in the roof. One of them was killed when he dropped out instantaneously. The other one fled and reached the shores of America and taught this melody to the Muzhitsher Rebbe. And from that time on, it became very much a part of the melodies that have sung by Jews the world over to this very day. And many Jews picked up that melody in the death camps, and on the way to the gas chambers, went to their deaths with the words of Ani Maamin, I believe with perfect faith.